Thank you for inviting me to be part of this year's World Ocean Day. I am very sorry I can't be there in person, but I hope this message brings some insight and maybe even some inspiration. So have you ever stood somewhere so vast, so still, that it felt like time paused? For me, that place was Antarctica. Standing on the deck of a ship, crossing the Drake Passage, surrounded by endless ice, open sky and water. No buildings, no noise, just nature. I was there with 125 women, scientists, engineers, leaders, on a leadership expedition to one of the most remote places on Earth. We went to learn, to connect and to witness what's happening in a place most people will never see. We expected ice. We expected cold. That's the image we all carry, right? Icebergs, snow, silence. But what we didn't expect was rain. Rain in Antarctica is still rare, but it's becoming more frequent as oceans warm. And that's not just surprising, it's alarming. Ocean warming disrupts fragile ecosystems and wildlife. When the rain began, I overheard someone quietly ask, "Even here?" That question got to me, because if climate change is showing up even here, then it's happening everywhere. And that question wasn't just about place, it was about what we saw and what we felt. A kind of sadness that's hard to name. That heavy realization that places we thought were untouchable are changing rapidly. And I didn't feel overwhelmed because I didn't understand. I felt it because I do. Global systems shift, and those impacts ripple outward to all of us. We often talk about the ocean as if it's far away, but the ocean is in our weather, in our climate, in our food, in our future. The moment we realize that all the world's oceans connect through the Antarctic circumpolar current surrounding Antarctica is powerful. It's not distant, it's deeply connected to all of us. It's easy to feel small in the face of all of this, and I feel that too. But caring isn't weakness, it's awareness, and awareness leads to action. You don't have to be a scientist, just stay curious, speak up, take action at home, at work, in your community, because small actions multiplied can change everything. Back on that ship, someone asked, "Even here?" The answer is yes, but that's not where the story ends. It's a call to respond. Let's make sure future generations don't just see what was lost, but what we chose to protect, because yes, even here, especially here.